When it comes to zakah, in Islam, a person generally takes out compulsory charity on 4 types of wealth. The first is gold and silver and that which is similar to it. So you've got gold. In those days, they used to have gold coins, silver coins, and in our terms today, our paper money or whatever bank balance you may have, what they term as plastic money. So that's category number 1. Then you've got livestock, so sheep, cows and camels. The scholars agree that on these 3 a person pays zakah if certain conditions are met, and inshallah we'll touch on them. The third category of wealth, a person gives out zakah if they are farming, if they are growing, benefiting from the land, and again there are conditions mentioned. The fourth is known as urud al-tijara. People who are in business, they hold inventory or stock. So here they also pay zakah on the value of the stock or inventory. When you look at these 4 types of wealth, gold and silver, livestock, crops that a person grows or farms, as well as inventory, you find that there are rules and conditions. So not everybody who owns even a small amount of wealth has to pay zakah. So what's common amongst them all is a person has to reach what's called nisab, a certain threshold before they are considered to be eligible to pay zakah, or before zakah becomes compulsory upon them. So for example, when it comes to gold and silver and what's similar to it in terms of paper money, the scholars have mentioned, as for gold, roughly 85 grams of gold. If you own 85 grams of gold coins, for example, or you've got money worth 85 grams of gold, then you would be considered to have reached the threshold of zakah. So it would be compulsory upon you to pay your charity. And when it comes to farming, when it comes to crop that a person grows, there's a lot of detail that's been mentioned. And inshallah, those who are into farming, you can ask your local scholars. Similarly, when it comes to your livestock, not every person who has a sheep or a cow or a camel pays zakah on that 1 sheep or 1 camel or 1 goat. Rather, there's certain thresholds if a person reaches, paired with other conditions that need to be fulfilled. The reason why we touch on gold and silver and money is because that's most prevalent.